Hello everyone, welcome to Honoris Arts and Lifestyle channel. Today I will be showing you how to do Vastralankaram for Shivling. This is one of the simplest Alankaram that you can do within 5 minutes, provided you have all the material ready. I have used some of the items for this one, like this kind of a grass mat and a tiger skin fabric which I have cut in a random shape, so that I can give a feel like Shivling is actually resting on a tiger skin. To know how this tiger skin fabric was before and how did I cut it, please refer to the Fruits Alankaram for Shivling, the video which is already there on my YouTube channel. And the links to purchase all of these items will be given in the description box of this video. Today I will be doing Shivling Alankara using the tiger skin fabric. Many of you might be wondering that, okay, if it is a goddess, then there are various types of saris, which the goddess can actually be dressed with. But what is a kind of a dress that we can actually put for Shivling and so on, yeah? So for that, there is a solution, because this is the kind of a dress that we can actually get in the shops, okay? So I'll be giving the details of the shops in a minute. And this actually comes with a shawl like this, okay? So you get this also along with this one, and this is available in various sizes, okay? So this is the kind of a cloth that we can actually use. In case if you are not able to find this kind of a cloth, then you can actually use this kind of a tiger skin fabric also, and you can make your own cloth. The reason why I'm using this kind of a cloth is because Shiva always wears the tiger skin, okay? So that is the reason why I will be dressing up Shivling using this kind of a tiger skin material. Now in case if you are going to stitch this, then all you need to do is make sure that you take a golden kind of a lace, put the frills over here and cut it in a zigzag pattern at the bottom, okay? And that should do. And then attach it to the lace on all of the sides, take a beautiful border and attach it here. So this kind of a fabric is actually available on Amazon, okay? In case if people who are staying abroad, if you are not able to get this kind of a material, I'll be leaving the link for Amazon in the description box of the video. But for people who are staying in India, you can actually get it from this particular shop, which is Shri Nanjundeshwara and Co. And this is actually in Bangalore, but they can ship it anywhere across India. And for those people who are staying in Bangalore, you don't have to go to the shop, you can just arrange for a Dunzo delivery. So the way in which you will have to measure the length of the cloth is somewhere from here, okay? So if this is your Shivling, take a measurement from here until the bottom and keep it a little longer, okay? So if I'm going to tie it here, I'll show you how you can tie it there, okay? So if you're going to tie it here, see, it should come a little down, okay? And then anyway you will be getting this along with it. In case if you are making it yourself, then take a measurement like this. Okay, so if you're going to put the fabric from behind the shivling like this, it should not be touching the ground. It should be somewhere about 3/4 of the length of shivling. That is, from here till here, whatever is the distance, in that distance it should be a little more than 3/4, but it should not be touching the bottom. Okay, and along with that I'll be using a few of the jewelry. This is the Nagabharana that you get in the shops. Okay, you will be getting it in the same shop, that is Shri Nanjumeshwara & Co. And over there, if you ask them, you should also be getting shivling. But this shivling, I purchased it from Amazon. Again, the link for all of these things will be available in the description box of the video. But when you are purchasing this kind of a Nagabharana, make sure that this distance of the circle which is there, the diameter, that should be slightly larger than the diameter of the lingu. Okay, because if I keep like this, mine became a little short. Okay, it's not going inside. And also make sure that the height of the Nagabharana is going to be at least 3 to 4 centimeters more than your lingu. Because I could not use this, so I have actually made my own jewelry for Nagabharana like this. To know how to make a jewelry, here is a video which is available on my YouTube channel. So you can just go through this particular video and you should be able to get an idea. So now if I keep it here, so this is how your Nagabharana should look. I have actually told all of these details in my previous video, but I'm just reiterating that because many of you would not have watched my video, and also there are many subscribers who are joining on a day-by-day basis. And apart from that, we also get a vibhuti like this in the same shop. Okay, again, when you are measuring it, okay, the distance you need to measure is from here to here for the lingo. Okay, see how many centimeters is it? Tell to the shop people and you can purchase. But I have also made vibhuti myself. Okay, and this is the vibhuti that I have made. So as you can see, this is actually bent over here, and this is the glue that I have pasted. So if you look at my Rudrakshi Alankaram for Shivling, you will have all the details, as to how you can use the glue and everything. So this one is actually straight, the vibhuti that I got from the shop. As you can see, this one is curved. So I made this curved like this. Okay, you will have to make it a little smaller than mine. And then you also get a moon like this. Okay, again you will have to ask the shop people, measure the distance from here to here diagonally, and then give them the measurement and tell them that this is the size of moon that you need. Otherwise you can also make all of these jewelry on yourself. Okay, and the next one is Trishul. So actually this Trishul was quite long when I purchased it. I have cut the Trishul and I have given a molded base, the Fevicryl molded base over here. So the height of the Trishul is going to be something like this. Okay, should be slightly higher than your shivling. And this is a small piece of jewelry that I have made for shivling. And this is where it goes. And I have also made this Rudrakshi Hara for the shivling. I could not get a small size of har, and many of you will also be having small size of shivling. You can just make this har yourself. Okay, in case if you are interested in making this kind of a har, then do leave a comment on this video and I can make a video to show you how to make this kind of a har and what are the materials that you need. Now coming to the other materials that I have used for this decoration. I have used this arch that I had made for Diwali decoration. So to know how I made this particular arch that you are seeing here, please refer to this video which is there on my YouTube channel, and you should be able to understand. The description box of that particular video will have the links for all the materials that you need, which you can purchase from Amazon, but alternatively you can even walk into any of the stores and you should be able to purchase them. And this flower that you are seeing, it's made of paper. Okay, and it is made in the form of a jasmine flower. And this was actually made long back. I think it must be about 15 years old or something. And my mom doesn't remember from where she purchased this. Okay, so if you're going to ask me to give the contact to buy this kind of a flower, then I will not be able to give it. And the next one that I'm going to use is a har made of rose like this. Okay, so where you can buy these kind of things, again for that I'll make a video in a very detailed fashion with all the designs available from that seller. So this one we actually got it made from some other person, but that person she's not selling it anymore. Okay, we are not able to reach her. So that is the reason I'm going to give an alternate contact number, and I will also be showing their collections in a video in a few days time. So please give me some time, and from there you can actually order. And whenever you are ordering, you can customize the color of the flower, the length, the breadth, everything you can get it customized. So all those things should not be a problem. And please note that this is made of cloth. It is not made of plastic. It's made of cloth, and I'm using this only for the decoration purpose. And apart from that, I have also purchased this cute artificial flower pot from Amazon. Okay, this is of great quality. It looks almost real, and there are many designs and shapes available in this. In case if you guys want to purchase this for your decorations, again I'll leave a link for all of these things from Amazon. The reason why I am actually leaving the links only from Amazon is because one thing, I know the shops in Bangalore where they sell excellent flowers and pots like this, which is made of artificial flowers and plants, and they look absolutely real. But unfortunately, it's like since I have a small child at home, my husband is not letting me travel outside because I'll have to rely on the public transportation, like I'll have to take a taxi or I'll have to rely on an auto to go to all of these places. So that is the reason why I usually order most of the things online, and I have found that Amazon is quite reliable, and that is the reason why I always suggest you all to buy from Amazon. So then let's get started with the decoration. So what I have done for the decoration is I have already put the Nagabharna and fixed it, and I have also fixed this particular jewel. This is something that you can make it on your own. It's not a big deal. Just make sure that you use the wires, flexible wires, to give the strength to this kind of a structure. Again, refer to my video for jewelry making, and you should be able to easily make this. And then this dress, we are going to fix it right below this particular jewel, okay, in such a way that a small gap is seen over here, because it actually gives a very good contrast when black is seen. So for that, what we will do is, we'll use this stick-on multi-purpose reusable adhesive. Instead of this, you can also use the blue tack glue, but this glue I found it exceptionally good. Again, you're going to get this glue from that Sri Nanjundeshwara & Co, the shop details that I gave you at the beginning of the video. Okay, so how to use this glue and all, it's already there in many of my videos. You can just refer to it. So you can just take this glue. This is how the glue looks like. Okay, just knead it a little and paste it at the place where you want to put the dress. Okay, so for example, if this is the place where I want to fix the dress, that is where I actually put this glue. This much length of glue is more than sufficient to hold this dress. You can also put the dress over here. If you are going to put this dress here, then you will actually not need any of these things, okay? But because this is very slippery, this particular surface, that is why we'll be taking the help of a glue. And also one of the subscribers, she actually suggested an excellent thing, that we can use wax also for this purpose, to stick the jewelry and all that, okay? And these wax are easily available in online shopping, whether on Amazon, Flipkart or whatsoever. So even that can be used. Now what we do is, we take the dress and we just press on the glue so that it sticks well, okay? And then using these threads, you can tie it at the back. And this is how the shivling is going to look. Now after that, the next thing is fixing this one. So for that, we don't go around Nagabharna, we go around the lingo, okay, like this. And if you want to ensure that it sits like this, again put a little bit of glue and paste it here. So now you can see how beautifully the shivling looks. Now we can add jewels onto this. and that is it. This becomes the Alankaram for Shivling. As you can see, it takes less than 5 minutes to do this Alankaram for Shivling, provided we have all of these clothes and jewels available.